Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable creating dashboards in Metabase from Airtable detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable creating dashboards in Metabase from Airtable, first, ensure you have access to both Metabase and Airtable accounts. Log into your Airtable account and open the base that contains the data you want to visualize. Next, gather the API key from your Airtable account. To do this, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner and select Account. Scroll down to the API section and copy your API. Open a new browser tab and navigate to your Metabase instance. Log into your Metabase account and go to the Admin panel. In the Admin panel, select the Databases section from the menu. Click on Add Database to create a new connection. Choose Airtable from the list of available database types. In the Setup window, enter the API key you copied earlier from Airtable. Input the base ID of the Airtable base you wish to connect. You can find the base ID in your Airtable base's API documentation. Next, provide a name for this database connection in Metabase. Optionally, you can add a description to clarify its purpose. Once all the information is filled out, click the Save button to establish the connection. Return to the main Metabase interface and select the newly created Airtable database from your list of databases. Now, you can begin exploring your data. Create a new question by selecting the Ask a Question button. Choose the Airtable tables you want to include in your analysis. Design your visualizations using the available options such as charts or tables. Once you're satisfied with your visualizations, save them to your collection. Move on to creating a dashboard by selecting the Dashboards tab. Click on New Dashboard to initiate a new dashboard. Give your dashboard a name and a brief description if desired. To add visualizations from your collection, click on the Add a Question button. Select the questions you want to include in your dashboard. Arrange the visualizations as needed to create a cohesive layout. After arranging your dashboard, click Save to finalize your changes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.